Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of using CIBC Global Money Transfer, a convenient way to send money internationally. We will cover everything you need to know step by step. Let's get started. Head to the step 1. Step 1 is log in to your account. First, head over to the CIBC website to get started. Click the sign in button at the top right corner and enter your banking credentials to access your account. Like this screenshot here, enter your card number, then your password. Click this checkbox to remember you for further login. Then, step 2 is access the global money transfer service. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu and select Global Money Transfer. This will take you to the section where you can initiate an international transfer. As you can see here, you have to click on three-line button and you will navigate to the menu section, and here is the Global Money Transfer option. Click on it, then you will get the interface. Then step 3 is initiate a new transfer. To start a new transfer, click on send money. You will be guided to a page where you can enter the details of your money transfer. Step 4 is enter recipient details. Now enter your recipient's details. This includes their full name, bank information and country where the funds will be sent. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid delays. Just click on this global money transfer and you will see the recipient section. Here you need to add your recipient. If added, then if you need to add a new recipient, then click on add new recipient. Then you can add the new recipient with their details. Step 5, enter transfer details. Next, specify the amount you wish to send and choose the currency. CIBC offers competitive exchange rates, which you will see in your display. Step 6 is review and confirm the transfer. Before finalizing, review the transfer summary. Double check all the information including transfer fees and the total amount of the deducted. Once you are sure everything is correct, click confirm to proceed. Step 7 is receive confirmation. After confirming, you will receive a transaction reference number and a confirmation email. Keep this information for your records. And there you have it. A simple and efficient way to send money globally with CIBC. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to CIBC customer support. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more banking tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy transferring.